Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about the newly launched feature of Discord, and that is Discord server subscriptions. So let's talk about what is server subscription. Server subscriptions give you the ability to create subscription tiers from paying members, offering them premium experiences with unlockable servers and channels. And if you're disappointed with this new feature of Discord as much as I am, then let's talk about it. In this cut, customization options have been created. Providing more customization option for server subscriptions would allow server owners to tailor subscription package to meet the specific needs and preference of the community. This could include options for different subscription tiers with varying benefits such as exclusive roles, channels, or perks. But this some of other websites or some other apps are providing this for free. So why would we use Discord in order to do the same thing that we can do in other websites as well? Chaz OOP. So come, let's compare the Discord server subscription fee with OOP platform's fee. So Discord is gonna take a portion of what you make, and that's 10%, and OOP only takes 3%. For example, if you are making $1,000 from Discord, then Discord will cut $100 from it, and OOP will only cut 30. So you can keep way more money than in Discord using the same feature. It operates on a recurring payment model, meaning creators can earn monthly subscription revenue from their members as well. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.